Hi everyone, this is Brian Boer with Boer Insurance Group here. What is service line coverage that you've been hearing about? Service line coverage is newly offered in the insurance industry as an add-on coverage to a homeowner's policy. And service line coverage fills a gap that historically has never been covered by a home insurance policy. Service line coverage adds coverage to a home insurance policy for things like underground piping, wires, and attachments to the public utility in the street. The most common claim that we've seen so far is the water line that's providing water from the public hookup in the street to our clients' homes. Now, what might be covered by something like service line coverage? It's actually quite broad. It covers things as simple as rust, corrosion, just leaking, also things like a tree root clogging and bursting a pipe, or deterioration that occurs over a long period of time. Things that typically a homeowner's policy would not be paying for, but with this new add-on coverage, you can add coverage to a homeowner's policy that's generally going to provide somewhere between $10,000 and $15,000 of coverage, and it costs anywhere from $15 to $30 per year for the add-on. Now, you're probably wondering who really needs to have this coverage. We think almost everybody, except for the few townships that tell the homeowner that the township is actually responsible for those service lines. But 95% of all cities and townships say that the homeowner is actually responsible for all of those underground pipes. Now, if a home is built before year 2000, it's going to be especially needy to have this coverage added to the policy because those pipes are 18 years old and getting older. The older they are, the more likely they are to burst or corrode or rust and need this coverage to come into play. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.